Listen, just read.
How will I read? How will I say?
Just read, you know. Reshim,
Yes.
just read about the straight from the house, effective from the strength or the
I just have to say sports.
spot.
Yes.
Okay, sir. You like a spot?
1, 2, go. Do you want me to read about sports?
The
You're
last,
recording. You're recording. How am I taking a photo?
I can record it. Video.
So I'm looking for a story here.
Yes.
On Facebook.
Okay. Just read that story.
Wait, I read for Daily Nation. I see something, then I read here.
Okay.
You have to badida you. Blue. Awesome. Wait, I get to see wait. Yeah.
You know, the more practice, more benefit, you know? Shame.
Yes?
More practice, more benefit.
Yes. Now I read like I'm reading.
Yes.
Kenya has the best policies, institutions to support economic growth in Africa. A survey by the World Bank reveals, according to a World Bank country policy and institution assessment 2012 report released on Wednesday, Kenya and Cape Verde had a high scores of 3.9. Cape Verde's listing in the assessment declined for the third consecutive year, while Kenya improved for 3.8 that was recorded in 2011. Now we join our reporter Abduba Dida as he takes us to the ground and tells us more about the story.
Okay.
That one is nice, you see it.
That's nice. You have a seat also, you just...
Everybody see how it is. But you started recording so early. See, you recorded a small thing,
Just read about the strike.
About?
Strike from the Mwalimu. Muungano ya Mwalimu. Just read about, you know. Think your mind. Think twice.
Able take it this way. Not that way.
Yes. Just.
The camera should be.
Okay.
Yes.
As they say, laptop, a new creation,
Yes.
and that is an obstacle to the teachers. That indicates that
Yes.
the teachers, it seems to be a smoking to pollution at teachers' backgrounds and no solution. And that is the news for now.